All right, guys, good morning. Wanted to just go over real quick, it's just to verify our cam timing and cam specs. And so we got our degree wheel out, our comp, this is our comp cams valve, timing set here. So it's got the stand and then the rod, you just put it on your lifter, on the intake lifter. And what we're doing, we're just verifying, we'll verify the intake lobe centerline against our cam card. So first thing, obviously, you got to do is find top dead center, which we put the deck bridge on here, found top dead center. So that's where you set your degree wheel. So that's all set. The next thing you want to do on this one is verify your lift. Okay, so you just run around. This will be hard to do. I'll be going back and forth, but if you see, we're looking for 372. Okay, at the valve, it's going to be 595, but right off the lifter, off the lobe, is going to be 372. So if you look here, I'm at 72. What I did was when I bottomed it out, I set it to 0. And then, of course, it went around 3 times to 72. So we verified our max lift. And theoretically, to let us know that we're close in the ballpark, that should be the center line of the intake valve, right? It's lobe center line at 107. So if we look on our degree wheel where we're set, 106, 107, right about there. Now that doesn't take into account the dwell at the top. So that's why they have you, a lot of instructions will say to go 50, go back 50 thou on each side. So you'll go past max lift by 50, and then you'll go the other way by 50. You'll jot that down on the degree wheel and then divide that by 2. So we can do that also. So let's see what that comes out to, and that's what I got here. So we'll go 50 thou past and see where we're at. So that's at 72. So we'll go back to 22. Okay. And again, this might be a little, that is almost there. That's 21. So we're at 22. So we're gonna put in, this is at, what's that look like? 152? So let's put that on, well, 152. Now we got to go the other way, past 72. We'll go 50 past 72. And let's go the other way. That's the wrong way. Okay. So there's 71, 2. And then we'll go back again to 22. And I'm going to sneak up on it the other way, that'll take any slack out of the chain. Oh, there we go. Sorry, try to do this one-handed, everybody. Hold this camera. Anyway. Okay, we're right at 22 again. Okay, so then that puts us at, what does that look like? About 50, if I'm looking straight on there. No, that's like 62. So then 214 divided by 2, 107. And 107. So our cam timing is, right on the money. So I can move on from here. We can button up the bottom end. We can go back to, TDC on the, before. I'll set this to TDC real quick, which is right. We'll set this here. That way we can set our timing pointer. We can put the timing chain on. And we're pretty close there. Let's see. Okay, so we're TDC here, so we can take this degree wheel off and everything here. I can slip on the timing chain and the balancer, and I can set our pointer at 0. So we are confirmed at TDC, and our timing events match the cam card. So we're all set to button the bottom end of this up with the pan and everything. All right, guys, that's what I got for you today. I mean, I'm working on some other stuff. The heads are getting milled, 30 thousandths. He said they'll be done this week, so we'll be ready to move on. So again, I want to get timing cover on, get the oil pan on. We'll be ready to set the heads and check piston to valve clearance and all that kind of stuff, which I don't think will really be an issue, but you know, we'll check it anyway. But that is the update today. We verified all of our timing events, or verified our intake center line. So I'm pretty confident everything else will line up, because the lift worked out, this worked out just fine. So I think we'll be good to go. All right, guys, moving on. Thank you. All right, guys, so here's where we got today. Did get the timing cover on, got TDC set with the timing pointer. I do have to get a couple gaskets for the water pump here, or I'll make some out of some gasket material. So other than that, that's all done. Got the pulley on. I do have to torque down the balancer, but once I get the flywheel on, I'll have something to hold on to, and I can get that torqued. But it's on there, went on nice and easy. And then I'll do I'll get the oil pan on tonight. So making progress, bit by bit. We'll have it back together. Hopefully the heads will come back this week, and we'll get those on there ready to roll. All right, guys, thanks. Have a great day.